Today, we're going to talk about one of the wildest transformations I've seen in a Google product in a long time. We are diving into the massive February 2026 update to NotebookLM and why it might just be Google's secret weapon for creators. Let's get right into it.
So imagine this. What if that tool you used just for organizing your thoughts and summarizing PDFs, what if it could become a full-blown content creation studio? Like, literally overnight? Because, well, that's pretty much exactly what just happened. And look, this isn't some minor tweak we're talking about. NotebookLM can now build entire slide presentations for you, create these cool, stylized, narrated videos, automatically structure your messy notes, and even go out and browse the web for you. Yeah, all of that dropped in one single massive update. What this really represents is a fundamental shift in what NotebookLM even is. It's not just a place to put information anymore. It's now a place where you can create something brand new from that information. And you can really see the difference side by side here. In the past, NotebookLM was a solid research assistant, right? You'd upload your stuff, ask some questions, and get answers based on only those documents. Simple, clean. But then you look at the right side. In February 2026, it became an AI content studio, a slide generator, a video engine, a data tool, and a research agent. I mean, that's not just an update, is it? That's a whole new category of tool. All right, so let's dive into the specifics of this new content studio, and we've got to start with a feature that is going to be a total game changer for students, founders, creators, pretty much everyone, next-gen slides and video. The process here is just so powerful. You can feed it up to 50 different sources. We're talking PDFs, articles, you name it, and then you just ask it to build a slide deck with a narrative. Out comes a full 12 to 15 slide presentation, visuals and all. And the best part? It exports directly to an editable PowerPoint file, so you can still go in and make it perfect. Okay, but this is where it gets really, really cool. You don't have to regenerate the whole deck if you want to change something. You can now use prompts to edit specific slides. You can literally just type, make slide 4 a comparison layout, and boom, it updates instantly. It's a game changer for anyone who's ever wasted hours messing with slide layouts. And the creative power doesn't stop with slides, not by a long shot. NotebookLM can turn your notes into narrated videos, but not just boring generic ones. As you can see, you can pick from a whole bunch of awesome styles. Anime, watercolor, a classic whiteboard look, even papercraft. It's all about making your ideas actually look and sound compelling. And get this isn't something you have to be chained to your desktop for. The entire video creation suite is right there on the mobile app for both Android and iOS. Just think about that. You could be turning your research notes into an explainer video or a social media clip while you're commuting. For content creators, this means going from idea to a finished video in a fraction of the time. It's huge. Okay, so let's keep going because beyond just creating content, the core research assistant itself got a massive upgrade. It's been supercharged with skills that go way beyond just simple questions and answers. Now, this is one of those features that looks simple, but it's an absolute lifesaver. We've all been there, right? Staring at a wall of messy meeting notes, trying to figure out what actually matters. Now you can just ask NotebookLM to make a structured table. In seconds, it pulls out the key info and organizes it perfectly into columns like date, speaker, and action items. This is just a massive time saver. And now we are getting into real AI agent territory. The new deep research mode is a semi-autonomous function. You give it a topic, and it goes out, plans the research, browses hundreds of websites, and then comes back with a fully synthesized, source-grounded report that it puts right back into your notebook. You just point it in the right direction, and it does the heavy lifting. You can really see the evolution right here. I mean, we started with simple chatbots with pretty low autonomy. Then we got to research assistants that could only work with what you gave them. But now, with deep research mode, we're at the level of a research agent, a system with high autonomy that can actually go out and find information for you. It's a huge leap. So let's zoom out for a second. What does all of this mean? What does this massive update signal about what Google is really up to? Well, it's pretty clear. They're not just building a tool, they're building an entire integrated AI workspace. This timeline really lays it all out. NotebookLM went from a simple research assistant to a powerful content creator, and now it's an agent-style system. The trajectory here is obvious. This is on its way to becoming the hub for an all-in-one AI workspace. And if you needed any more proof that Google is serious about this, here it is. They've introduced paid subscription tiers, Plus, Pro, and Ultra. And that's a really important signal. When a company starts charging for a tool like this, it means it's not an experiment anymore. They're building a real product, a real business. So, the big question is, what do you actually get for these paid plans? Well, get this. The Ultra tier offers up to 200 of those AI-narrated audio and video overviews per day. That number tells you everything. It tells you exactly who this is built for: power users, creators, and professionals who are making content at a serious scale. And as a result, NotebookLM isn't just in its own little niche anymore. It's now stepping into the ring and directly competing with established presentation software, with basic video editors, and with that whole new wave of AI research assistants. It is playing in a much, much bigger field now. And that brings us to what might be the most surprising part of this whole thing. After this complete transformation, most people still think of NotebookLM as just a PDF chat tool, which means if you're a creator or a student, just understanding what we talked about today puts you way ahead of the curve. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. When you look at all these incredible new capabilities, which one of these would totally transform your workflow the most? Is it the instant slide decks, the creative AI videos, the autonomous deep research, or maybe those simple but super powerful data tables? The answer probably says a lot about where the future of our work is headed.